Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to relocate sound library Logic Pro. So instead of moving library, you can easily remove heavy sound packs that you do not use. So open Logic Pro on your iPad and then hit the bottom left icon, and after that jump into the Get More Sound. Okay, so now we are in Sound Library. Uh, Tap Manage Packs right here at the top left corner, and now you can start browsing installed packs to free up space. So what you are going to do is, if you find one pack that you don't use, just simply press Edit here, and you will see this red icon next to it. So what you're going to do is just simply press it, and then you have options to delete this sound pack and free up space on your iPad. Yeah, and yeah, this is basically one way to do that. Now, the second thing is we will go to the settings of our iPad. So open the iPad Files app. Like that. Now navigate where you have a Logic Pro project. So I think I have it right here under the recent. Now touch and hold this project, and you will see that you can now move to different or copy to a different folders wherever you want on your iPad. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next